Hi, my name is Nadia and I can't wait to introduce you to the WonderCards. Being a successful consultant, trainer or coach, you most probably have a very demanding customers. Even if you are well prepared, your customer want innovation, good vibes, creativity and energy flowing. Preparing your training workshop or meeting, you might use a number of resources like books, your personal notes or apps and websites. When I did this in the past, it took me a long time to find the right stuff. And next time, it took me a long time again. Traveling a lot, I was suffering with not being able to take all my favorite resources with me. And this is why I created WonderCards, a set of cards you can take with you everywhere because it's this small. WonderCards are coming in quite handy if you are looking for inspiration while designing your workshop or training. The kit of WonderCards covers all phases of a session. There are exercises for sparkling warm-up and introduction, methods and models for deeper structured reflection and analysis, energizers for fun and motivation, and tools to round it all up, highlighting results and achievements. And there's also one empty card for your most favorite exercise or model. Today, WonderCards are available in German language only. To make them available in English language, I need your help. There are translations needed, design work, and also print and packaging. To master all of this, I need your support. You could be the first who get the English version of WonderCards. I believe every trainer, consultant, or coach should use WonderCards to be as flexible and as adaptive as possible. This is how we add value to our fast-moving, dynamic, and complex business world. So now it's up to you. Let's make it happen.